Hi there, this is our Kerry lathe, an older English lathe. Would have originally been 3-phase, someone's converted it to single phase, put a 1 horsepower single phase on the motor on the back and made a nice coolant system up with a new single phase coolant pump. It's got quite a few accessories and comes with quite a wee package. General condition's really good, it seems complete and original and it ticks over nicely. It's got a rear tool post and this wee milling vise, also a sleeve that holds a collet there and a 1/2 inch collet. Tailstock locks feel good. Carriage moves nicely. Same with the cross slide, etc. The coolant system, I've drained the fluid out of it, but it is working. I can plug that in. It needs a switch. Obviously originally had a switch, but there that is, that motor just ticking over dry there. Anyway, so all the bits and pieces feel nice. It's got the tapered turning attachment at the back. Okay, I'll start it up. So I've got the feeds running there. So I'll connect that lead screw in. It's going that way. It's going in and out nicely. And now back towards us. And I'll take you through the other feeds. Cross slides going away from you, neutral, and then coming. So going away from you at the moment, and then the carriage is moving towards me, and that's going in and out nicely. And now I've reversed that direction there, and got that carriage going that way now, neutral, and then the cross slide is coming back out towards you. So the feeds are working nice, the lead screw engagement etc. is working nice, the forward and reverse on them is working nice. So that's it's got the direction electrically here, controlled here one direction, now the other. And I'll take you through the gear range now. So that's in its slower speed. So I'll take you up to the next range there too. And that will be in range 2B, that's 314. Take you up to 490 next. That's 490. Now I'll take you up to the fastest speeds there. So that will be 644. 960, and finally your fastest one, 1500. So that's the speed range. The engagement of the clutch and everything feels really nice, and it's ticking over nicely. So general condition is really good, ticks over nice, comes with a good lot of accessories. Someone's converted it to single phase, which will make it attractive to someone that doesn't have 3-phase. And yeah, really good older solid English lathe.